Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Realme 6i smartphone, whether the phone actually supports the Wi-Fi 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz or not. So, a few of the users they did ask me that whether the phone actually supports the 5 GHz network or not, because nowadays most of the people they're working from home and they need to make sure that Wi-Fi connection the phone is picking up all the signals as much as possible. So that's why it's definitely necessary that phone should also support the 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz two networks in the smartphone. So in this video I'll be testing that Wi-Fi connection in the Realme 6i, and if you want to download these wallpapers and use in your punch holes or dual punch hole smartphones, so try to check the links in description for exactly what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. So there is a special playlist which I created only for the wallpapers alone. Try to check the playlist of the wallpapers and you can find very good interesting videos. So let's get started with this Wi-Fi connection here. So right now let me try to enable the Wi-Fi network. So once you enable the Wi-Fi network, you do as you can see the 5 GHz network and 2.4 GHz network connections are already detected here. So clearly it shows that the Realme 6i actually supports the two networks 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz without any problem in the Realme 6i. So this is another advantage, friends. So in terms of the Wi-Fi connection, if you ask me, I did not face any issues with the Wi-Fi connection so far. So it was very strong and stable and steady. So another feature the Realme 6i has is that Wi-Fi tethering option. So using this Wi-Fi tethering, you can actually share the Wi-Fi network with other smartphones. So for example, in your home you are using a Wi-Fi router and there is only a limited number of devices should be connected to the Wi-Fi router. For example, five phones or five different gadgets should be connected. So your TV, laptop or tablet, mobile phone and other phone will be connected and 5 devices will be done. You cannot connect any extra device. But if you are having the Realme 6i smartphone or any Realme phone, there is an option which is called the Wi-Fi tethering. If you enable the Wi-Fi tethering, here this phone will create another Wi-Fi network where you can connect the extra phones to this Wi-Fi hotspot. So in this way you can share the Wi-Fi network from the router from the phone to other phones. So this is the main advantage of this Wi-Fi tethering option which is present in the Realme 6i. So in case if you did not try this feature in your smartphone, then definitely you can try this option and let me know in the comments below if you are thinking about the Realme 6i smartphone. So thank you for watching this video, friends. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, for more videos, thank you for watching. Bye.